Hello, it's Hannah here and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Volkswagen Tiguan 1.5 TSI eHybrid R-Line, finished in the Metallic Dolphin Grey Paintwork. This 2025 model comes with a 1.5 TSI petrol plug-in hybrid engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting a durable luxury family car. This eHybrid vehicle offers a range of up to 75 miles and holds a charging capacity of 13 kilowatts per hour. This vehicle sits on 18-inch York black alloy wheels, contrasting against the grey paintwork, with LED headlights, perfect for that great visibility. The electric folding door mirrors for added protection when you're parked up. Following on to the sensors and rear view camera for them tight and awkward manoeuvres, with a charging cable of mode 3 type 2/3. As we enter the boot area, you can see this has a great space of 490 litres, perfect for long trips away with lots of luggage, followed with an electric tailgate, perfect for those handful moments. Moving into the rear seats with a part leather trim finish with a cloth suede material down the centre of the seats for that relaxing feeling, followed by a powerful blue piping, giving it a more luxurious look, followed by a pull-down armrest with 2 cup holders built in, 2 power outlets for charging on longer trips, and a free zone climate in the back is also accessible. As we enter the front seats, you can see the multifunctioning steering wheel with central touch display, with the stylish part leather trim finish seats, followed by a stylish standout patternwork down the centre, with a vibrant blue piping down the side and a metal plated art in the headrest for a sporty look. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connections. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Here you can also access your heated steering wheel for them colder days. You even have an on-screen navigation system to make following directions and driving a lot more easier and stress-free. Moving on to the central infotainment system, there's a variety of different radio stations that you can choose from to keep you entertained along your journeys. You can access your navigation on screen, which allows driving a lot more easier for yourself, and so you can see it in a bigger picture. App Connect allows you to connect your phone to the car so you can access apps whilst driving, such as Spotify or Apple Music. For the fun side of the car, you can now access the background lighting or ambient lighting, which allows you to customise the different colours of the car to your liking. Experience allows you to customise the car to whatever suits you best. You have your electric side of things, and then you also have your comfort, sport, individual or eco modes. Seats allows you to have an onboard massage whilst driving if you are feeling up for it. The charging app allows you to see how many miles you have left of electric and how long it'll take you to charge. Moving on to the climate controls, you have on-screen climate controls which you can access the rear and control them. You can also access Smart, which allows you to customise and choose a different setting that is already there for you. Following on with the central console with 2 wireless charging pads and charging sockets, storage for cups or phones, and a central console armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.